Being introduced to Trusana really helped us because here is a premium denture, printed, repeatable, accurate. It's not only cost saving, it makes it much faster in production. And we got the same strength, if not stronger material.
It's one of the best in the market. It's amazing for a printed material, and that's a big advantage with it. We love the aesthetics that we get from it. Just printing one structure with the Trusana material, this is where you see the translucency. It reflects as if it's ceramic. And applying a little bit of OptiGlaze to give it the natural look, that's doing the job for us.
We're saving a lot of money, saving a lot of time, and at the same time getting a better aesthetic result and a faster product and a stronger product. So it's a no-brainer not to do it.